How to fix Google dialer scam detection option not showing problem. So let's see how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all update your Google dialer apps. So go to Play Store and tap on Play Store and tap on search bar. Search for phone by Google. Already update your apps. Now long press phone call apps and tap on info. Scroll down, tap on storage and tap on clear cache and clear data. Tap on delete. Go back and home screen and then reset your phone. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.